The countdown is on for the big freaking moment. Hey, you're darn right, I'm gonna get dressed up for this. I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and the minutes are ticking away before our exciting guest DJ takeover blasts off over on my all 80s powerhouse, XXX80s.com. What is this nutty thing? Well, I've been running my jaw about this for the past couple weeks. We have a special opportunity for brand new DJs and even some old radio pros to rock that mic, feel that electricity that only radio can deliver. And all their shows are about to hit the airwaves in just a couple days. I mean, if you watch this in 3 months, you missed it. I should delete the video. But anyway, we're really close to that moment. And in the description of the video, you'll see all the details, but roughly, here's what you need to know. The very first shows start airing at XXX80s.com on Monday, May 26th, 2025. And I'm gonna run these DJ shows twice in the day because I want to show some love to all the radio DJ duders and dudetters all over the world. So if you live on the other side of the planet, you're going to hear these shows at 2 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 9 a.m. GMT. And then for everyone else, they will replay at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10 GMT. If you're totally confused by all that, well, welcome to the club. I have no idea what's going on. Check out the description. It has all the times and dates spelled out for you. And of course, if you're already on one of radio's most sought after newsletters, the Radio DJ Dude newsletter, I will keep you up to date with all this info right in your inbox. Once again, you can jump on that thing, and it also entitles you to occasional discounts. Check out the link in the description. But enough of the boring blah, blah, blah. Come on, let's talk about the DJs. Who are we turning up? This is very exciting. Like I said, we have some newbies and some old-time radio dudes ready to rock the mic. All the way from Chicago, Allan Kaye is ready to take on the airwaves. He's had some radio experience in the past. I mean, this is an international affair. Wait till you see who else we have coming up. From Ontario, Canada, the only guest DJ to send in a photo, this guy right here, Aubrey. He actually has a show called The Ripple Effect that airs weekly on a community station in his town. Then from Texas, it's Juan. This guy used to be on real radio in the 90s before a darn computer replaced all that air staff. And all the way in Sweden, Rasmus is gonna crack open his USB mic and throw a little show together. He's actually studying podcasting and radio at university over there. So just a sampling of who we have coming up. There will be more. And just so you know, if you didn't make it in this time around, but you may be thinking, God, that really sounds cool. I'd love to get on the radio. I'd love to kind of follow my passion without having to jump through all the hoops and start my own station. Well, that was the point of this guest DJ takeover, just to give you a taste of this wonderful medium that really unlocked so much joy and adventure in my life. And if this is something that you feel, might be a cool thing to try out, well, stick around. I'm going to do this again because the response was pretty good. Follow through, not so much, but I think once you hear some of these people on the air and it clicks like, oh, this is real, this is actually a thing that I could maybe do in the future, then I'll let you know the next time this becomes available. Because that's my number one goal with this nutty little YouTube channel, is just to keep the magic of the medium alive. And I think there's so much more we can do with radio. It just kind of takes some fresh perspectives, some new ideas, and places to actually practice our craft. And I mean, they're far and few between right now. So why not? Come on XXX80s. If you have a station of your own and maybe you'd like to open the door for a new or older jock, well, let me know. I think if we can create maybe our own little network of radio stations that provide opportunities that these DJs cannot find in the real world, I think that's a win-win for everybody. Monday, May 26th, the shows start airing at XXX80s.com. Like I said, I'm going to run down these boring times again. 2 a.m. and 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And for GMT, for our friends all over the world, that boils down to 9 a.m. and 10 p.m. Of course, all the deets in the description. So come on, let's show these new and not so new DJs some love. Support the cause. Tune in, tell your friends, tell anyone who digs radio about this nutty experiment. And we'll see where this thing goes. I hope to have some of these guest DJs on this channel, soon. We'll talk about what the experience was like for them, get you jazzed and amped up for the next time we do this, and just keep the radio train moving. I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.